Hello, welcome to my space racing game. This is my submission for 212 and 217 CR. I call my game X Racer. So when we start the game, you can see that we have our space ship, just fully steerable with the grassy texture. We have also 4 pointers that indicates if we are going on the right track. There is a music in the background, and every time we pass the pointer with the music playing. There's a large galaxy that we're in, with the Saturn planet in the middle. So you see the gravity is pulling us towards the planet, it's rotating. With 4 pointers to complete track. See the flying asteroids that are going through our map, and one main asteroid waiting for us near our first pointer. Spaceship movement is based on the real-world physics, so we have the real acceleration, deceleration, and turning left and right. The ship has its own mass, and by pressing the arrow up we are applying the force. There is in other hovercrafts forward. There's a maximum force applied to not make hovercraft moving too fast. Also we can move backward with the same force applied in other heading to the hovercraft. We can rotate with decreasing the speed. I applied the collision in my game. Let's see, if we move with some object, we'll just bounce from this object. It's based on the sphere collision, so object has its own sphere, and you are calculating the distance between the 2 objects. The distance smaller than the radius of both of it. Then we says the collision. You can see that from one object can bounce, and from the other object, from those lab pointers, if we go through, we can have the sound effect that indicates that the collision occurs and we are going in the right direction in the lab. Here you can see the gravity field, so you can see that Saturn, mass of Saturn is affecting our hovercraft, and it's pulling us to it. So take from the real world graph, we are taking the values, the mass of the ship, the mass of the Saturn, and we are calculating how much force does the ship apply on the Saturn, and Saturn applies on the ship. From the weak points of my game, I only applied the sphere collider, not also the cube collider, to work together. But from the good points for my game, I applied the fully steerable hovercraft with the real world physics. I applied the collision with the spheres. You can bounce through the object, you go through the object with a couple of indicators, and also I applied real world gravity that is calculating the constant gravity force, taking into consideration the mass of the object and giving the force. So if we are getting closer to the object, the gravity force is bigger than we are further from the object. Thank you.